Here's yet another unboxing. This is the Bauer bg40 drill. The Komatsu pc400 with a shear on it. I got it from Chuck DHS. They were having a 11/11/11 sale. Free shipping. And that's what it came to. There's how much the drill was. And the pc400. Here's the drill. Here's the instructions. I was either going to get this drill or the accessory pack for the LRB 255. Because mainly I just wanted the auger bit for this diode. But this drill was only like $80 more. So I just thought it'd be a better deal to go with this. This thing's really detailed. I like how the tracks are blue and not black. Bunch of small parts. A ladder, winch key. Here's the auger guide. It's a little bent. This is the top of the drill. It's where your auger goes. Metal handrail and etched out walkways. Really thin ladders. At least the tracks on this ain't not falling apart.